Will this UHF antenna break? To see how tough the new ATS antenna from Uniden was, well, I got a little bit creative. How does it look? Well, that surprises me. Look at you. She's a bit scuffed up and worn in, but that'll go straight back on the front of the bull bar. Yep, copping a flogging here and still looking good. Branches just bounce off. Okay, just one more to go. Jack handle, aerial. This feels all kinds of wrong. Well, I did not think you'd still see that on the front of the four-wheel drive. We've dragged it behind the four-wheel drive, pummeled it through the bush, and hit it with a jack handle. That is one tough antenna. Now, the great thing about the ATS range of antennas is that there is an application here to suit just about anything. I'm talking SUVs, quad bikes, right the way through to tractors, or even full-blown touring rigs like mine. So that means you're covered from 3 dBi right the way through to 6.6 dBi. To find out more, why don't you head across to the Uniden website.